Before starting the class, let's take the revision because yesterday we studied this chapter. So this chapter name is The Eagle Has Landed. I told you what is eagle in this. That is the name of a spacecraft that went on the moon, right? So the journey was started at 16 July 1969, and place was that Houston, that was in America, right? So there were three scientists. First name was Neil Armstrong, and second name was Michael Collins, and third name was Edwin Buzz Aldrin. So these three scientists were there. And next thing we need to know that on which date they kept their first step on the moon. That date is that you can see here. Yes, that is date is here. Like this is the date. On 20 July 1969 at 10:56 p.m. they kept their first step on the moon, right? So it is the important date, right? So first person was who was for the first person who kept his first foot on the moon, that is Neil Armstrong. But there were three scientists: Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Edwin Buzz Aldrin. So these three scientists were there. But first of all, Neil Armstrong went there, right? So after 18 minutes, after you can see, like you can read here, after 18 minutes, Aldrin joined Armstrong on the lunar surface. Means after him, first of all, Armstrong went there, then Aldrin also joined him, right? So they spent their approximate 2 hours and 31 minutes on the moon. But in the journey, like they spent on the moon 21.6 hours. So this is all about this. Now let's read the question answer of this chapter and let's understand what are their answers, right? So our first question is that choose the right options to complete these sentences. Our first statement is that the mission was almost about to fail before landing, fail before takeoff, both the option A and B. So our right option is A, fail before landing. So you need to tick on the this option number A. So please student, if you haven't opened your book, so please open your book of a reader and you need to open the page number 96 page number you are advised to open, right? So in this first option is right. Second statement, Armstrong reported that the surface of moon was fine and rocky, watery and powdery. So which is the right option? Right option is that powdery. So C option is right, right? This option is right. Come on the next question. Answer these questions. So you need to answer these questions. Our first question is that from where did the Apollo 11 spacecraft leave Earth? So we know that what was their journey point, means from which place they started their journey for the moon. And answer is that now I am just telling you answer, means only I'm telling you answer, but I will send the answer key also and you can match your answer whatever you have written in your practice notebook. Then what answers I will send, you need to write those answers in your fair notebook, right? So answer of this question is that Apollo 11 spacecraft left the Earth from a space center in Houston in America. Means that a place name was Houston, that still that is there, that is in America, right? So now let's come on the question number 2. Why were people from all over the world glued to their TV sets? So like in this question, we have to tell the reason why everyone from the world glued to their TV sets. So answer is that people were glued to their TV sets to witness an important and historical moment, the moment of man's landing on the moon. सभी लोग अपने टीवी के साथ ग्लूड हो गए थे, बस टीवी के साथ चिपक गए थे चिपकने का मतलब है यहाँ पर कि वो उसको देखने में पूरी तरह ऑब्जर्व हो गए थे, उसी को देख रहे थे और कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे थे, क्योंकि वो उसके विटनेस बनना चाहते थे। उस मून पे लैंडिंग के जो लोग मून पे गए थे उनको देखना चाहते थे, उनको सुनना चाहते। दैट्स व्हाई एवरीवन फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड glued to their TV sets, right? Now let's think and answer. So some questions are here. You need to think and then you have to answer. What answer I will tell you, like you, that answer can vary from your answer. But I will try to give you the ideal answer, right? So our first question is that program alarm, it's a 1202. What was a 1202? प्रोग्राम अलार्म यानी कि जब उसने कहा था कि 1202 1202, व्हाट इज दिस, ये क्या है, ये कोड क्या है? सो आंसर इज दैट 1202 वाज अ कोड which indicated that the spaceship computers were overworked and overloaded. It could mean aborting the landing of the moon vehicle. इसका मतलब है 1202 का मतलब है कि ये कोड है जो हमारा कंप्यूटर कन्वे करता है, उनका जो कंप्यूटर था वो कन्वे कर रहा था। इसका मतलब होता है कि जो वो कंप्यूटर यूज कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रहा है, उस पर वर्कलोड ज्यादा हो गया है, इसलिए उसको वहां पे लैंडिंग कर देना छोड़ देना चाहिए, यानी कि लैंडिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए मून पे। ऐसा उनका कंप्यूटर इस तरह की ये सिग्नल दे रहा था। Question number 2, what feelings did the astronauts have before landing on the moon for the first time? So what do you think, what the feelings did they have when they were landing on the moon? So answer is that the astronauts were confident and enthusiastic before landing on the moon. जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स थे वो कॉन्फिडेंट थे और उत्साह से भरे हुए थे जब वो मून पे लैंडिंग कर रहे थे, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what would the astronauts have done had they met aliens on the moon? It means like we have to tell, you need to suppose that what would happen if the astronaut would have met to some aliens, यानी कि अगर वो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स वहां पे उस मून पे कुछ एलियन से मिलते तो वहां पे वो क्या होता, सिचुएशंस क्या होती, वो उनसे कैसे बिहेव करते? सो आंसर इज दैट if the astronauts had met aliens on the moons, they would have extended a hand of peace towards them. अगर वो उनसे मिलते, एलियन से मिलते, तो वो उनकी तरफ एक शांति का हाथ आगे बढ़ाते, यानी उनसे दोस्ती करने की कोशिश करते। Question number 4, imagine you are on board the Apollo 11 spacecraft. Write how you would have felt when the mission turned out to be a success. Means like we need to reply here, suppose you are the member of that crew and that you are in the Apollo 11 spacecraft. So what do you feel when like you find that your mission is completely successful? So answer is that if I landed on the moon on Apollo 11 spacecraft, I would be thrilled beyond measure. I would be proud of my country and of the scientist team and that sent the spacecraft to the moon. So answer is that अगर मैं वहां पे होता, अगर मैं उस क्रू का, उस टीम का मेंबर होता जो अपोलो 11 स्पेसक्राफ्ट में वहां गया था, तो मैं उन अपने देश के लिए और अपनी उस साइंटिस्ट टीम के लिए बहुत ज्यादा प्राउड फील करता और मुझे बहुत ज्यादा खुशी होती। So this is the answer. So dear students, once again I tell you, I will send you the PDF of the answer. Now I'm just telling you what can be the answer. But when I will send you the PDF, you need to match your answer which you have written in your practice notebook. Then you have to write those answers in your fair notebook, right? Discuss in the class. We came in the peace for all mankind. What does this signify? So dear students, we are not in the class. So answer of this question or this question you can discuss with your family members or with your elders or with your juniors, means your brother and sister or with your parents. With anyone you can discuss. So what will be the answer of this question is that we came in peace for all mankind. हम यहाँ पे आए हैं मैन काइंड की यानी कि मानव जाति की भलाई के लिए, शांति के लिए। व्हाट डज दिस सिग्निफाई, ये बात हमें क्या सिग्निफाई करती है, क्या बताती है. सो आंसर मे वेरी, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव यू द आइडियल आंसर. सो आंसर कैन बी value points. We came in peace for all mankind signifies that the exploration of the moon is for purpose of knowledge only and not to capture or overtake the moon. ये है जो हमें लाइन है, ये हमें सिग्निफाई करती है कि मून पे आने का हमारा जो पर्पस है उसको ओवरटेक करना नहीं है, उस पर कब्जा करना नहीं है, बल्कि नॉलेज प्राप्त करना और मैनकाइंड की भलाई के लिए हम वहां पे आए हैं, हमारा और कोई पर्पस नहीं है. Next question, second question. The crew members aboard a space mission have to be cooperative and friendly in hostile conditions. Comment on this. जो क्रू के मेंबर्स होते हैं, यानी उस स्पेस क्राफ्ट के जो मेंबर्स होते हैं, उनको कोऑपरेटिव होना चाहिए, फ्रेंडली होना चाहिए. हालांकि वो उन दोनों में, हालांकि उन सभी में चाहे हॉस्टिलिटी भी हो, यानी कि उनमें दुश्मनी भी हो, तब भी हमें उस कंडीशन में अगर हम कोई स्पेस मिशन पे गए हैं तो वहां पे हमारे अंदर एक कोऑपरेशन होना चाहिए, फ्रेंडली नेचर होना चाहिए, बिहेवियर होना चाहिए. इस बात पे कमेंट करो, अपने विचार रखो. सो आंसर कैन बी द क्रू मेंबर्स अबोर्ड अ स्पेस मिशन have to be friendly in all kind of hostile situation and they would have to live like a family. तो उनको एक फैमिली की तरह रहना चाहिए उस स्पेस मिशन के अंदर, उस स्पेस क्राफ्ट के अंदर, ताकि कुछ भी गलत ना हो, कुछ भी गड़बड़ ना हो. So this is all the answers of these questions. Now let's talk about using grammar. Now we have to come on the back exercise, using grammar. So you have already learned that a complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and a subordinate dependent clause, which are sometimes joined by subordinate conjunctions like although and because, or relative pronouns like whose,